About 14 minutes, and the results will be on air about 12 today.
Right, just all the safe back, and back with the last next day walk, and it's been more Feel closer to nature. Media Pure Natural sponsors this morning.
Why pay for electricity when you can get some for free? Thanks to a government-backed scheme, households across the country are having free solar systems fitted by HomeSub. Free solar panels that give you free energy for your home and could cut your electricity bill by a third.